look in here. I'm just going to dig in here and see what we find. Oh, have a look at this. Oh, you got to see this. Here's the worms. See them all here? Just, oh, they're having a great time in there. The worms are fabulous. These are California red wigglers, and there's lots in there. And they're just loving eating all this compost and stuff, and also some assorted vegetable bits that were left over from the house, and making beautiful worm castings. Worm castings are just the ultimate thing you can add to a vegetable garden. It's the way to go. But they're expensive to buy, so you can go and buy them at different places, but growing your own worm castings is kind of fun. Makes a beautiful humic acid that plants just love so much. You might hear me talking about that from time to time. It's the key to having healthy plants. So somebody asked one time whether these things need to have aeration or if they have holes in the bottom, and they don't have any holes in the bottom. They have some aeration that comes in from the ends, and that's about it. That's really all they have. And I start them out with a little bit of soil in the bottom, and I use usually a nice black garden soil that I would have, a composty soil, and put about 2 to 3 inches in the bottom. Then I'd add the worms in, and then I just start throwing in the compost on the top, and the worms come out at night. If you were to open these at night, and that's one thing, one day I'll get a nice night shot of it, that the worms are all up and they're all foraging on the surface, and that's pretty fun to watch. And something we need to capture on a time-lapse film. I did time-lapse at one time, and it was pretty interesting. But anyway, that's it for vermiculture and the worms today. So thanks for tuning in to growercoach.com.